Science meets sustainability today at Patna Women's College. Welcome viewers, you're watching PWC News. The annual Vigyan Utsav 2026 has just begun, bringing together educators, scientists and students to explore the role of AI in making Viksit Bharat 2047.
Patna Women's College, in collaboration with Vigyan Club, commenced Vigyan Utsav 2026 on February 26 as a part of its National Science Day celebration under the theme AI Powered Science for Sustainable Development and Viksit Bharat 2047. The inaugural program began with a formal welcome and ceremonial inauguration.
What is special about this year's Vigyan Utsav 2026?
This year, our college has actually taken the theme AI powered themes. So I liked in a way, like they are thinking ahead, the modern, the future of our country, and towards Viksit Bharat. So to have a Viksit Bharat, how AI can help. This is what the students have done. So they have showcased beautifully all the models, and most of them are working models. Even the inauguration was like the pair of scissors was brought by a machine, and then we took the pair of scissors to to cut the ribbon. So I felt very good about all this, like the innovative practices that they are trying to do. And also women in science is a national theme, so that also was depicted very well, because we are the power, women are the power. Wherever women is there, science will do very good, because there will be ethics, there will be human values when women handle science.
The event featured a welcome song by students and a thematic dance showcasing the exhibition theme. Dr. Sister M. Rashmi A.C., Patna Women's College, welcomed the dignitaries and emphasized the importance of AI driven innovation in addressing global challenges while nurturing scientific temper and critical thinking among youth. Dr. Shobha Srivastava, convener of Vigyan Utsav 2026 and Dean Faculty of Science, presented an overview of the celebration, highlighting the significance of National Science Day and integration of artificial intelligence with interdisciplinary research for sustainable development. The guest of honor, Shri Abhinav Dikshit, Scientist G and Center Head CDAC Patna, spoke on the expanding role of AI in data science, motivating students, especially young women, to cultivate scientific temperament and contribute to national building. The chief guest, Professor Dr. N.K. Agarwal, Director Higher Education, Government of Bihar, encouraged students to develop innovations and research-oriented thinking, aligning academic practices with emerging technologies and national goals. The closure of inaugural ceremony was led by Ms. Poonam Abraham Lakra, Head Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What message do you have for your viewers for this year's Vigyan Utsav 2026?
गुड आफ्टरनून। इस साल का विज्ञान उत्सव वुमेन इन साइंस है और हमारा कॉलेज वुमेंस कॉलेज है, पटना वुमेंस कॉलेज ऑटोनोमस। तो हर साल की तरह इस बार भी हमने अपना विज्ञान उत्सव बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया और थीम के मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हमारा एआई से रिलेटेड ही हमारा सारा जो भी इवेंट था वो हमने किया। और आज इनॉग्रल सेशन में हमारे डायरेक्टर्स आए थे एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट के, उन्होंने भी हमारे बच्चियों को बहुत ही मोटिवेट किया। आप आगे बढ़ो, एआई का ज़माना है, अपने ब्रेन को यूज़ करो, अपना चीज़ सामने लाओ, स्टार्टअप करो। और हमारा कॉलेज भी इसमें आगे बढ़ रहा है और विकसित भारत को ध्यान में रखते हुए आगे विकसित कर रहा है।
For more such college updates, stay connected to PWC News. By then, I, Riddhi Kaushik, along with camera person Aditi Raj, signing off.